What's up, YouTube? It's the Hilltop Boy. Today I'm coming at you with another video, but before we get into the video, I just wanted to let you know, only like 7.2% of you guys are subscribed. And I have 25 subscribers, so if you could please subscribe, that'd be great. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be looking at my dirt bike. So this is a Coleman dirt bike. It's 95 cc's, and this is my helmet. And so yeah, we're gonna be going around the track, and so yeah, the light actually isn't that good, but so throttle's in there. And one time, well, actually like a week ago, I actually fell and I sprained my wrist, as you can see right here, guys. So yeah, I sprained my wrist. I was on a drift on my track over there. We'll go there in a little bit. And so I fell on my wrist and sprained that, and before that, I actually was drifting and I fell again, and I pulled my other handle and the whole thing just came off, and I had to replace all this right here and all that down there, so yeah. All right, so let's go to the track. Okay guys, so this video actually took me a really long time. It took a lot of effort with all the editing and stuff, so if you could please subscribe. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. That'll be the end of this video. So I was thinking, since I have 25 subscribers, right, okay? I am asking for 10 likes on this video. If I got 25 people that are already subscribed, just like the video, because if you have an account, you can like. So just click this video and give it a like, and if you can't, just make an account. Come on, make an account and subscribe. Come on, it'll really help me out. Thanks. Subscribe, like, see you next time.